Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I have this tripod here, and I'm really excited to share this product with all of you because I'm telling you guys, this is the best one you can get out there on the market right now. So let's go ahead and just get started here. Let me go ahead and open this box up. I'll show you guys exactly what to expect right out of it, and then we'll actually go ahead and mount my camera just so you guys can get a good idea of what it looks like on here. And by camera, I mean my phone. I have an iPhone 11, which I will attach to this. But let me go ahead and get everything out of here real quick. So here we go, guys. Now this is a nylon modified material, so this is extremely durable. It's going to last during all kinds of different weather conditions and things like that, which is absolutely awesome. But anyways, here you guys go. Here is like a close-up of it. And I gotta say, overall, it does look amazing. Now, on the side here, you do kind of have directions on how to use this, so it's really easy to use on how to unlock this and open it up and whatnot. It's fairly easy to do, so we'll go ahead and just open up the base there. Once again, that was really easy to do, and this is super portable. It only weighs 11 ounces, so you can take this basically anywhere, and with it being essentially weatherproof, you're really going to have no limits on where you take this. Now this is completely adjustable. You can change the height to it as well. 4 different ways, so once again, we'll just go through all the different heights here, but you can adjust them to basically work to whatever works best for you. We'll go ahead and break this down here again. But overall, really nice and easy to use as well, so it's completely adjustable here. Now let's go ahead and put this on here. Now you can go ahead and attach the phone holder here up top. Once again, everything's super easy to use with this. Now it is adjustable back and forth just like this, as well as you can adjust your phone. Let's see here. And you can adjust it just like that as well. So you can change your phone that way as far as the angles go. And you can also adjust this. Let me show you guys. You can adjust this so it can fit basically all phones out there. Let me go ahead and put my phone in it here. We'll go ahead and put my phone in. And this adjusts wide enough to where it now works with all phones with otter boxes, which is absolutely awesome, so you don't have to remove your case or anything like that, which is really nice and convenient. Now we'll go ahead and put this on here, and boom, there you guys go. It was that easy to do. And once again, this is fully adjustable, but I kind of like where it's at right now, so we'll go ahead and tighten it into place like that. Now you do have a couple other things with this real quick before I stand this up and show you guys what it looks like when it's standing. You also get a bag here, so you can store this all away, especially when you're out traveling around and doing cool stuff, so you can store it away in that. You also have further instructions here. And then you also have a couple different mounts as well you can use, which is really nice. Now, last but not least, you have a remote control here which connects to your phone via Bluetooth, which is absolutely awesome. So to do this, it's really simple. Make sure you go ahead and turn this on. It has a little side button there, and then, or a side switch. You'll go to settings, you'll go to Bluetooth, and then AB Shutter 3 is the name of this one. And then it'll ask for your pairing request, and you'll just hit pair, and now you are good to go. Now you can go ahead and go to your camera and go ahead and press the button, and there you guys go. You're taking pictures. So the remote selfie is absolutely awesome, and just for the fun of it here, let's go ahead and set this up over at my other side of my room here, just so you guys get an idea. We'll go ahead and set it down here just like that, and if you wanted to take pictures, you could once again just press this, and there you guys go. It is that simple and that easy to use, and that's why I recommend this product to all of you out there.